our world as one interconnected ocean, a vast blue expanse critical to life on Earth.
There is no better animal to represent the story of the ocean with all its splendor and uncertainty than the killer whale. Every corner of the ocean, from the Arctic to the Atlantic, from the southern and Indian to the mighty Pacific and beyond. The killer whale story is the ocean story, and it's one we all share.
We are one world, united by our ocean.
Welcome to SeaWorld's Orca Encounter. My name is Sierra, and that was Ulysses and Orca, two members of our killer whale family demonstrating their incredible size, speed, strength, and complex learning abilities. These behaviors keep our whales active and engaged. SeaWorld's killer whales have inspired generations of guests, and we are so excited to get to share them with all of you here today. As trainers, we spend years building our relationships with whales. This creates trust and allows us to provide optimal healthcare, research, and quality of life. All 8 of our killer whales here at SeaWorld San Diego take an active role in their own health and well-being through something we call husbandry or medical behaviors. In fact, one of the first husbandry behaviors the whales learn is to roll over and present it to the underside of their tail flukes. This allows our veterinary team to come in once a month and collect a blood sample from the veins that run along those flukes. You can see this right now with Corky and Dr. Schmidt on the screen. But getting a blood sample isn't the only way we make sure our whales are staying healthy. We're also able to ask for voluntary ultrasounds and, of course, obtaining their weight. We can ask our whales to slide up onto a giant killer whale size scale and lift their tail flukes completely up and out of the water to get an accurate weight on them. Now, this behavior is a great example of the true purpose behind our training program. Some behaviors, like a slide out, may be visually stunning, but its real purpose is trained so we can monitor the whale's weight. We can also ask our whales for high energy, powerful behaviors, like Preaches that jumps up and out of the water for great exercise. In fact, every behavior you'll see here today contributes to making sure our whales stay healthy. The overall health and well-being of our pod is the most important part of our job, and we strive to achieve this through diet, exercise, lots of love, and of course, a little bit of play. And our killer whales sure do love to play. We learn what they like and how they enjoy interacting, not just with the rest of the pod, but with each one of us as well. Playtime is a great opportunity to gain new enrichment and build our connection. So we hope you enjoy this fun playtime session between the whales and their trainers, demonstrating that incredible connection. At the sea, playtime can be fun for everyone involved. But for killer whales, it's actually how they learn and practice their hunting skills. Killer whales will prey on pretty much anything, from fish to marine mammals to great white sharks, and even the largest animal on planet Earth, the blue whale. The blue whale that you see on the screen is 5 times longer and 50 times heavier than any of the killer whales you see here today. So you may be wondering, how does the size of a kaika take on a whale that size in the wild? Skill and teamwork allow them to hunt the blue whale and all other types of prey. In fact, killer whales all around the world have developed unique hunting techniques and skills to catch their prey of choice. For example, they'll use their tail flukes for slapping, tossing, and throwing. This tires their prey, making it much easier for them to catch. Pulling them right off the beach. A natural athletic behavior we see in killer whales is the ability to completely beach themselves, turn, and re-enter the water. Transient pods of killer whales off the coast of the Pacific Northwest prey on marine mammals instead of fish. They rely on quiet steps to hunt their prey. During hunting, you may see killer whales porpoising in pursuit of prey, or they might even be surfing on an ocean wave. Killer whales prey on seals, and they've learned to create waves that wash over floating blocks of ice and knock unsuspecting seals right into the water. Now this behavior is incredible to witness, but in order to demonstrate the amount of water displaced, I have some very brave new friends here who are going to take on our 55-degree saltwater. Let's give a big SeaWorld San Diego welcome to Eliza and Zoe! Come on down, you guys. Alright, you guys are going to take a seat right there. Perfect, okay. So this is your iceberg, and today you two are seals, so it's your job now to get to wash away, alright? Now I have one last question. Are you ready to get wet? Yeah, what do we think, everyone? Ready to get wet? Alright, well it looks like all 3 of our killer whales are coming your way now. Killer whales do hunt in pods, and they can get up to 30 miles an hour in the water, which can make quite a wave. So they're coming around the bend now. Here they are, and brace yourselves, here's that wave. Hold on tight! And another one! Woo! Way to go, you guys did that! Let's hear it for a minute about you. They did a great job! Alright, come on up, you guys. Now, all of that incredible hunting behavior that you just witnessed is just a fraction of the skills and techniques killer whales have developed all around the world. They'll breach or slash their pectoral flippers to communicate during a hunt, and they'll use their powerful tail flukes to stun prey. But today, I got a feeling these guys just might be stunning all of you instead. And you know what that means? It's time to get wet!
they're the top predator of our ocean. That means killer whales are invincible, right? Wrong.
Killer whales depend on a plentiful food source and a clean environment. They are completely dominant, yet completely dependent. When it comes down to it, killer whales are not the most powerful animal in the ocean. Their future depends on you, through your actions, through the choices we all make.
We hold the future of killer whales and the ocean in our hands.
The ocean needs our help, and that can seem overwhelming, but together we can make a change.
So much to learn.
So much to explore.
So much to protect.
The ocean is facing significant changes, but don't give up. Be inspired.
The killer whale story is still being written. And there's simple things we can all do to make a difference.
All it takes is one.
One positive act.
One ripple that can grow and change the world. Together, we've got this.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please join us for one final high-energy exercise session with our family of killer whales. Thank you guys so much for joining us for today's Orca Encounter. We hope you gain a greater appreciation for these incredible animals. Now please enjoy the rest of your day right here at SeaWorld San Diego. Bye-bye, everybody!
Ladies and gentlemen,
For your safety and the safety of our other guests, we kindly ask that you refrain from climbing over the seats.